Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacino. So Bitcoin, I did put the Gantt extensions on, the 12 and the 25% from this swing high to this swing low before we broke down. Gave us a 71.15 level, which you see bounced off a couple times. We also got a major divergence, so much lower price action, much higher RSI. Now drifting sideways, you see testing the top of the rotation zone a couple of times. So the key level we'll be watching for is an initial close above about 7,300. I'm going to round that up. You can go look 72.75. I'm going to watch 7,300 on a closing basis. This is correcting now, just drifting sideways. We've worked off the oversold condition. Next major level down, if we do rotate back down, is 7,037 to 7,053. That's why I'm leaving these clusters as they are now. If we get through the about 7,300, next I'll be watching about 7,350. Then I'm going out to the daily chart. Daily chart to get the bigger perspective. Bigger perspective. See, we're right. The rotation zone is about 73.30 to 73.50 on the daily chart. So if we come back here, we're still holding this key support. That's why it's always good to check the higher time frames. See here, you sometimes get lost in the lower time frames. So here we're seeing that still holding this horizontal channel. Now, if we get a close below about the 7,100 and then test 7,050 and then get the close below 7,000, then I'll really start getting into bearish mode again. Until that, I'm going to watch that 7,300. If we rally through that, then I'm going to start watching the other side of this channel near the upper end of the rotation zone and these candle bodies around 75.15. Lots of volume coming in. Lots of people buying against this support level. So if that support level does not hold, we could have a pretty rapid acceleration. If it does hold, I'm definitely watching the other side of this horizontal channel, especially with that divergence that just set up. Switching over to Ethereum. So we had the levels, we were watching 142.37, came down there, gave us a pausing bar, which enabled you, that's why we teach this stuff, to move them. So that was pausing bar, because see, this one didn't exceed that low. It doesn't have to be a red bar, I mean a green bar, just has to not exceed this low. Just gave us your next major level down around 140.10. We're spiking just through that, and then pretty rapid recovery back up to the rotation zone. So that looks like it's pretty much done now. Coming back to the rotation zone, if we get a close above about 145, we'll start watching for about 147. Now, a rotation back down, there's going to be some minor support around 142, major support coming in about 140 to 140.80. If we did fall through there, 138.06 and 136.50 are the next levels lower. Let's though take a look at the daily chart. More important, the daily chart, again, keeping things in perspective. So you see here, still, we've now got this support level back here from November 25th, from December 4th, and from December 12th. So far, it's holding here. If we do get the close below about 139, then we'll really start going back to bearish mode. Until then, we've pretty much come up to the just shy of the daily rotation zone, about 146.67. Really, we're watching that 147 level. Get a close above 147. We'll start watching the other end of the rotation zone with these candle bodies about 151 to 152.25. That's our next target to see upside should we get back into the rotation zone. So what we have for you on this quick Ethereum and Bitcoin update. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.